Plus we have prizes to give away. Really good stuff. Come on over. And just wanted to also mention, we have a little store right in the middle of the booth with some really great Hyundai apparel, hats, bags, all kinds of gear right in the middle of the booth next to the big monitor. So be sure to check that out. And if you're a dealer, make sure you get your dealer co-op. All right, come on over and join us. We'll be starting our excavator presentation here in just a minute. Did I turn you on yet? Yeah. Perfect timing. All right, we're getting ready to start our excavator presentation. You do not want to miss this. Come on in. Can you hear me okay? You got, okay. Perfect timing, come on in. Well, I think it's time to start. Let's just go ahead and get started. Otherwise, people can just join in as we're going along, and yeah, why not? Yep. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great day to be at CONEXPO 2020 and an even better day to be visiting Hyundai Construction Equipment Americas. Why is that? Well, we have some exciting news to share with you today about a new series of Hyundai excavators. First, let me suggest that after the presentation, you visit one of our information kiosks here where you can find floor plans and see what we have at the outside festival grounds. So, let's get started. Don't be shy, you folks in the back. Come on up close. You don't want to miss this. Okay, my name is Wendy, and for the next few minutes, you'll hear about an important collaboration between two global industry leaders, Hyundai and Cummins, and how it's resulting in some impressive new construction equipment. I bet we have some Hyundai equipment owners in the crowd. Yeah? Anybody? And how many of you run Cummins powered equipment? Okay, well, you could imagine what Hyundai and Cummins can produce working together on the next generation of construction equipment. We have a long history of building construction equipment powered by Cummins engines, but we're taking it to a whole new level. We're announcing the first machines in Hyundai's new A series of excavators exclusively powered by Cummins. And here's the topper. The Cummins Performance Series engines comply with the International Stage 5 emissions control standard. That means they're the cleanest running diesel engines on the planet. The next generation that's even more friendly to the environment than the Tier 4 final engines. I'll tell you a little bit about the technology behind these new engines, but I also invite you to stick around after the presentation and spend a few minutes with our Hyundai team members. They can answer all your questions about how this amazing new power technology fits in with Hyundai's world-class expertise in equipment design, engineering, and manufacturing. So here's the bottom line. With the new A-Series machines, you'll get better performance from a smaller, lighter machine. How much better? Well, our field tests show you can expect more than a 10% increase in power and a nearly 20% increase in torque compared with previous engines, all while using less fuel. That's big. You may be asking yourself, why bother complying with Stage 5 guidelines? They don't apply yet in the US. Well, that's true, but that's not the only reason these engines are important. In addition to also satisfying the current Tier 4 final requirements, the Cummins engines featured in the A-Series models offer a simpler installation with lower installed costs. So what's not to like about that? How do they do it? Well, without getting too deep in the weeds, the Cummins engines use the newest after-treatment systems. It's called the single module. The system combines the best combustion and air handling technologies, so these engines don't need to recirculate exhaust gas like in Tier 4 final engines. That allows for big reductions in size and weight compared with earlier models. So you get an even more efficient engine without sacrificing power, and it's easier to maintain. In fact, these engines reduce emissions almost entirely with passive regeneration. That means no impact on equipment operation and no operator intervention. There's a word for that, and it's spelled S-M-A-R-T. Okay, my jokes are not that great. But anyway, I'm sure you like what you're hearing about the new A-Series models. It's not a lot of talk, we've got the goods. And here at the Hyundai exhibit, you'll see the new HX210A crawler excavator and the new HX85A compact excavator, along with the HX520A, which is an A-Series upgrade of the HX520L model. How many of you are running equipment with the machine control system? It's a technology that's here to stay, and Hyundai is committed to making it easy to use this technology to improve your productivity and efficiency with things like High Assist. You can use it to set depth and slope at your job site, and this is important, you can achieve much more accurate digs. Do we have anyone here in the rental business? Any contractors who rent excavators? Well, you'll want to pay special attention to the new HX210A excavator. You'll find that it's similar in many ways to the HX220L model, but here's the difference. Besides being an A-Series machine, it comes with standard features and pricing that make it a perfect choice for both rental houses and contractors who rely on rented equipment. Be sure to ask one of our product experts here for more information about this great new excavator. And here are a few of the top line specs for the new HL210A excavator. Its standard operating weight is 49,960 pounds, which puts it squarely in the popular mid-20 ton size class. It has an 18-foot 8-inch boom and a 9-foot 7-inch arm. It's powered by a Cummins Performance Series diesel engine equipped with certified Stage 5 emissions control. And the engine produces 175 net horsepower at 2,200 RPM. And its standard bucket capacity is 1.2 cubic yards. So now I'll tell you a little bit about our new compact excavator. It's the first compact excavator included among the A-Series machines and the first to be assigned an HX model number, just like the big boys. You can see it on the opposite corner of our booth right back there. The HX85A is the largest of Hyundai's compact excavator models, and it fills the transitional spot of our overall excavator product line in between the compact and full-size models. The HX85A compact excavator has an operating weight of 20,390 pounds, which with a standard digging bucket capacity of 1/3 of a cubic yard, and is equipped with an optional 4-way dozer blade for efficient backfilling and grading. While we're talking about excavators, you may have noticed this wheeled machine over here. It looks a lot like an excavator. It's the new HW250MH wheeled material handler. It's a close relative of our wheeled excavator product line, and it's designed to meet a wide range of on- and off-road applications. But it differs from our wheeled excavator product line in some important ways. First, instead of a boom and arm for digging and dumping, it features a boom and gooseneck designed for lifting and carrying bulk materials and other objects instead of excavating. The second major difference you'll notice is the elevating cab, which can rise more than 8 feet above the chassis to provide the operator with a bird's eye view of the work area. Key specs on this are an operating weight of up to 60,630 pounds when outfitted with front and rear outriggers. Grappler assembly that features a 21-foot 4 boom combined with a 14-foot 9-inch gooseneck arm. The standard grapple is from SNS and has a capacity of 3/4 of a cubic yard. The material handler is powered by a Cummins Tier 4 final diesel engine, producing 174 net horsepower at 2,200 RPM. You can imagine a wide variety of uses for this versatile machine. And as you look around, you'll see a variety of other excavator models on display, ranging from compact and compact radius models to the big full-size machines behind me. And let's not forget about the versatile and highly mobile HW180 wheeled excavator. It's equipped with the Encon EC oil system, and we're displaying the machine with visit us out there, booth number F6914. And among the machines outside, we have an HX210AL excavator outfitted with high assist, a new option for HX series excavators that integrates a Trimble machine control system into the control monitor cluster. You'll see the HX220L is outfitted with the Encon EC oil system and is demonstrating a variety of attachments from Encon, including a quick coupler, tilt rotator, grading bucket, and a set of hydraulic pallet forks. All of that is outside. So anyway, thanks for being such a great attentive audience. Thanks for spending part of your day with us, and enjoy the rest of your CONEXPO. All right, thanks. Yeah, I can just rewind.